RMRC recruit today, folks. We're gonna see if I can fly it. That's what we're gonna do today. If I can get the SOB button back up. A little ass heavy, man. A little bit. Rather a little nose heavy. And ass heavy.
Engines armed.
There we go. Huh. Yeah, I don't talk much during my videos, sorry guys. Maybe I'll do a voiceover. But she does fly, man. Flies good. I wasn't too sure about this recruit setup, but she's doing it.
6.
Gotta get this whole balance thing squared away though. She's way out there. I know this camera can't pick it up. I don't have a camera guy here with a zoom camera today. I don't want to do too much low flying. I'm too new to this bird. But let's bring her in for a pass. Yeah, she flies at about a quarter throttle. All honesty.
5.
Bring her down here a little bit. There we go. Into the sun. Bad move. Ooh, that was close. That was pretty close, folks. Oh yeah, this is a nice flyer, man. I had problems with my AR, as you've seen before, so I bought this. Figured I'd get myself trained up on this delta wing here a little bit. All right, we're running out of time. One more pass. And we're gonna bring her. Do a slow pass. That's it. Let's bring her in. All right.
Engine disabled.
Oh yeah, I'm pleased there. I got another battery in the truck. Let's take this over and check this battery out. She did good. Climbs really hard. Anything half throttle or over, so you continue to gain elevation. But let me check this battery, possibly swap out another battery, and check my CG again and see if we can do something about this where we can climb under half throttle. I want to get some speed down low, but I can't because it wants to shoot straight up. CG's perfect. A little nose heavy, I have it, and still climbing. So yeah, let me do a little work here and I'll get back with you here in a few minutes. 2019 or 2020, whatever it is, Access, which I've flashed back to ACCST. You can do it. That's what I'm flying on right here. 16 channels telemetry, don't need them all. Could do 1 through 8 telemetry. RSSI holds up nice. We're at 70 way out there. Wish I had a camera on board.
4.
Next flight I'll definitely have the camera on. Get another pass here. Yeah, I'm happy with her. RSSI is 75 out there. Drop the throttle down. Coming into a headwind. See what she does. Yeah, she gets shaky. Do a speed pass and coming down to the end of the battery probably. Yep. Yeah, great flyer. Telling you, man, she'll cruise it pretty much
2.
quarter throttle. You know, she'll get it. She will get it. RSSI is holding real nice. Holding real nice. All right, we're gonna wrap her up. Bring her in back the way we just came for landing, as the wind's in my face right now. Wind's coming from the bird. Not much, but we're still gonna land it into the wind. All right, sorry about that sun again, like I said. Get a wide sweep out there. And glide her on in. No power right now. We're under absolutely no power. Zero power. Perfect.
Engine disabled.
All right, guys, like always, I want to thank you for joining me here and flying with me at Screaming Wings RC. This was the new RMRC Recruit, and she flew pretty darn good for me. Got some tweaking to do, but yeah, she did good. I'm pleased with her. So I'll do a little work on her. Fly her one more time again once I do a little bit of tweaking, see how she flies before I throw the old GoPro up in the nose. You know, bad enough to bust your plane up. I don't want to bust up a $400 camera. So a bunch of trial runs right now. Hey, stick with me, more to come. Well, I always say, man, God bless this country. Let's get it back in order. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.